progress.
This Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Uh, Today my video presentation is about interblock pavement design with a modern way. This is a modern way now that has been adopted by many residents because of its water resistant system, and it's now widely being used in Pakistan as one form of pavement construction. But one must remember that it has limitation that it cannot be more than 50 million. If it is 50 million single axle, so that this pavement will not work. I've designed this software uh, just to facilitate the young pavement engineer as well as the students who are taking this pavement design courses in the graduate or undergraduate level. Let's see how this system design, how the system works. So this system works in an Excel environment in which if you open, there is a main menu, like you see. In the main menu, there are four options. And if you try to look at those options, you will see that there you can design a walkway, you can design a warehouse pavement, you design a residential pavement with Pakistani factors. But if you are outside Pakistan, you can also design your pavement, but you have to design your own traffic factors to calculate ESALs. So we start with the first one. If you want to design this pavement as a walkway pavement, what you need to do, and then I have given the specification the same page. So whatever you do, you can always copy and paste that specification in your design. So let's start with the first uh, block, in which you have to design a walkway. In this type, you don't have to do anything. Uh, I built in this thing that you have to provide block of 40 mm, sand bed of 40 mm, and then you have to provide a crush aggregate base course, water-bound mechanical course, or lead concrete of 4 inches. So this is the final cross section that will be needed to design a pedestrian, or this can be also used as a bicycle or motorcycle, motorcycle path. Now I go back to the menu again, and if I'm interested in knowing the design of warehouse, then still you don't have to do anything. Just have to get this thickness, 440, 140, 150, 150, and 50. And one thing I've done is that if your CBR is less than 5, uh, I provided a sub base, approved subgrade of 6 inches. Like if I change this, say if I say my CBR is 4, this you will automatically you will have a 150 mm into subgrade. I go back once again to my main menu. Now I will be designing a street pavement. Now I'm using the pavement Pakistan factor. So now you have to, what you need to know is about your CBR. Again, if I change my CBR to 5, sorry, greater than 5, I may not require this pavement. So, like if I say this is one way, if it's a two-way pavement, then automatically your resistance will be changed. Now, this distance uh, whatever you have to type in the yellow boxes, and then you will get total, you have to put the total load on the week, and then this growth rate you have to type. So you will find this value. For instance, if I change this value to 200, you may have, and if I change this to 500, you may have, you know, 200. You may have a T3 values. For that, you will have a different section, 100, 40 to 50 to 50, and you may not require to do subgrade because already you have CBR of 5. So if you say CBR of 3, then you will have, you may require a 150 post support. I go back to the main menu. Now, if I say, if I want anyone who is not designing pavement in Pakistan, then what he or she need to do is to input ADT, input the load on the vehicle's property and the full state condition, and he or she will find the required. Again, the same thing. Yes, it's my CBR is less than is more than 6. I may not require similarity by 63. Then yes, I need a CBR of 20 subgrade. So this is what a very user compatible software. Remember, I can share with you this software if you want. But I've categorized software into categories. Those who are the students and those who are junior engineers and just started their career. Thank you very much for watching.